What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, basically today I'm gonna be creating a little mount so I can put my Garmin on my canoe, just so you know, when we go out fishing we can see kind of how the depth and, you know, of course the bottom, the contours and stuff. So yeah, I got my this is where our sonar is flashing off of. I got it on some PVC right now, but we're gonna get it mounted up on the canoe, and I'm gonna kind of show you guys how I do it. So then, I don't know, you guys do similar things. Maybe you could take something away from this video. This is an Old Town Penobscot, and I don't know, it's maybe like 17, 18 feet. You guys already know we're about to hit her with the JB weld. Take the screw here. Mix her up. Get the other side. Now we're gonna take this thing inside to dry up. What's up, boss man? Cut this out, and then I'm gonna weld the clamps basically to the bottom, and then this is gonna clamp onto the gunwales of the canoe, and then we're gonna have a hinge pivoting on top and raise the sonar in and out of the water. That way, when you're not using it, you can just raise it out the water. This thing sucks. I got this hinge welded on, and it just clamps right onto the gunwales, just like that. You just loosen it up. You can put it, you know, wherever you want along here, so that's pretty nice. But I also got this nice piece of redwood right here, and I was told that it's rot resistant, so it should be fine going into the water. And then I can just screw it right on that hinge, and then I'll fasten the sonar onto this board. I got my piece of redwood here. I'm gonna cut it right at 20 inches. As you can probably see, got it on a piece of wood, and you can just tip it right out of the water, just like that. And then there's our thing. Dip it in. Whoa, you hear that ice? That is so cool. Yeah, it's 21 feet deep right here.
Yes, indeed. The Garmin is a very good tool for looking at the depth and the bottom contour. Yeah, but you still can't catch any fish though.